Hey folks, just a quick video for any DIYers out there on how to remove the top from at least some models of Bosch dishwasher. When I was looking for how to do this myself, a lot of the videos seem to have been doing it wrong when you compare the model to what they were doing. I think they had it wrong, I could be wrong myself, but this is the right way to do it for this particular model, and you can have a look, see if your one's got the same setup. Let's crack on. How to remove the top of this dishwasher. Lift up the little seal that's here and take it out. Once the seal is out, there's two clips hidden behind the seal. Fingers in, press up, pull forward. So forward and up. Forward and up, and then off the back of the dishwasher. It's dead easy. Dead easy. Not been able to find many videos though that show you how to do that as simply. So then when you're putting it back together, make sure you put your seal in place. It only goes in the one direction, so you're not going to mess it up. Slot it in. Under the arm, and that bit goes over the arm. And then pull down and click in place. That's it. So that's it. That's how you remove the top of your Bosch dishwasher, at least on certain models. If you liked the video, give us a wee thumbs up please. And if you're looking for cooking videos, check out the rest of my channel, because that's my main focus here on this channel, is cooking videos. Aimed primarily at beginners, but I'm pitching them both ways nowadays. So have a look. If you want some cooking videos, give us a wee subscribe. Take care folks, all the best. Hope this video helps you out.